Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at F-Line Garage. Today, I'm sitting in the driveway, right? I got a low coolant light every once in a while. Now, I did just take this to Sebring. I ran it crazy hard. Thing performed wonderfully. However, now, low coolant. So I'm going to take this and see if we have a blown head gasket. Something like that. So, let's give it a shot. How hard can it be? All right, guys, so I just rented this from O'Reilly. Super easy. You get your money back. Let's work smarter, not harder. I filled it up with the combustion leak detector fluid to the line. Now, this is a sealed radiator. I have the overflow right here. So, it's a cold engine. I'm going to set this up right like this and warm up the car and start. Then with the siphon, it's just you stick this here and we're going to suck in maybe some combustion gas. So let's just see what happens, and hopefully it doesn't turn yellow. If it stays a blue color, we're good. So anyway, let me go start it up. They say you kind of have to let it warm up for a few minutes. Let's see what happens. All right, let me just do this for a bit and I'll get right back with you. All right, so I let this thing warm up to about 130 degrees. I've been just trying to suck up any of the gases that may be flowing back into here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still blue. That tells me two things. Number one, when I did the head bolts, everything's good. I didn't compromise the head gasket. And number two, it does not appear that I have a head gasket problem or like a blown head gasket. It may just have been running low. It may have eaten it up. I'm not quite sure yet, but I at least know that there's no combustion gas getting into the cooling system. So I am very happy with this test. This was $8.99, and this is a rental fee that you get back if you return it. So guys, I highly recommend it. Today, we found out I don't have a problem. What are the chances? So I'm going to take that and go celebrate a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and to like the channel. I like the video. I truly appreciate everyone that's been watching and commenting, and I can't wait to film the next one and keep you guys in the loop with what's going on with this. I may have a really cool project coming up, buying a blown C63 with a blown motor in it, and going to be rebuilding that. So if I can get my hands on that, I am very excited to show you guys the content. But in the meantime, please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.